no more yes, and they should leave President Mahama alone. But they say it up my own reading, they say, as a President Mahama, I did not to the team, and they are parking the court. Make us a President Mahama buy or not to fan for President Mahama buy and why pointing about.
Ebusian for AHA GhanaNsem TV GH, message or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for mommy and I say sister, Penny Vim lady. They say she has admitted to something that we in the MPP have been suspecting for a long while. And he said, our current president, our friend, His Excellency Jonah Mahama, or romance with the idea of going for a third term. Yeah. Now, this whole idea, we realized, they started calling him Supreme Leader, Supreme Leader, Supreme Leader. Ufaha Supreme Leader, Ufaha Supreme Leader. Now, I see the view. On my afraid of be Supreme Leader also, no. Most of the times, our mind democracy ni ho. Autocracy. Kanamin ke be the ni ho. And to say, your friend His Excellency Jonah Mahama, Supreme Leader, and he has not been able to come out himself to say, there be a Supreme Leader. Ghana a democracy. The fact say, you want to tell our parliament, and just say, me a Supreme Leader. But now, romance with the idea now. Actually say, deep within him, no, power is entering into his head. Now, when we said it, because of censorship, any 78 million journalists are they say, see no evil, say no evil, smell no evil. And they didn't even want to even pay attention to what the NPP was saying. So we even brought the attention, say, the article that talks about the constitutional limits, term limit, so article entrenched. Now for entrenched articles, say ube offense done easy. Because you need 2/3 in parliament to cause for a referendum. Now referendum, I say 2/3 of the people who vote in favor of the change. Now that 2/3 also, as I say, a year over 2/3 of the registered voters will mind them. And then easy. Yes, small process. So drawing their attention to that, I said the idea has gone back to sleep. But I'm happy, say people like Vim Lady are coming to see, say, John Mahama, His Excellency, does not want to let go of power. And his plan, and they say, Opushi Mami Jenana Opokwa Jiman to become flag bearer of NDC. And in eventuality that she is becoming president now, the unseen hand behind the scene that will be controlling this nation will still be John Mahama. And that will be a third term for John Mahama. When you people before Neka Bimu, a journalist. Moi, confirm my trust because area can be a musi a MPP for 38%. Yes, sir. This is can be bio. But your own people will come out and now come and be telling you the reality. Say scanner and so on, say anything so you can't trust these people. But so long as they are now talking, let's hope that they have had a change of mind and they are putting the interest of Ghana ahead of their own personal parochial interest. That is all we can pray for and hope for. For the video is up next. Please leave a comment. I'll reply.
26 judges on the Omakogu court on them. Why near parking court? Say MPP, it's NDC, it's that where are we going to? If everybody is going to do this, where are we going to? Let me take you back to the Supreme Court parking of the court now. And this is the story. President, I say parking the bench. President Mahama 60. Oh, I need 26, but 65. It's President Mahama by now. Yeah, we're appointing 65 judges. 65 judges. What do you say? BBI politics. President Mahama Nkwaba, no. We're appointing 55 judges. And now who is parking the court? And what are we doing to ourselves? Because say any NDC be parking in crop for MPP so ba ono so be parking nkofo enti ebe kakra no ye court ni nyina be NDC judges MPP that what are we doing? The only arm of government and so far super independent super independent no e can at least o asem bia do baby obi ase en fan court that no man na ire no asem ba obi ase en court because everybody is confident say at least any court there at least there can be some semblance of justice. As the president Mahama by 65 judges and wafa omo 65 judges high court court of appeal ebi na e kan
ansa na no se wo abrochiri anase wo Ghana ha na wo program bi etese engagement wedding anase funeral na ope obi a obeba betwa video no ede ama anase oba betwa pictures na me kire quality videos anase quality pictures a enfo wani enchirem e wo ba bia se cam hacks na ma no e na eda screen ne so no na djuma ho etwa yie papa Ghana ha ba bia wo bia o frena obeba abetwa wo program no e de ama anase empo wo amano ne e na wo hweye e na wo beye program e na wo atoto ania uhu obia obetwa wo program no e de ama wa contact na mana eda screen ne so no obetwa wadjuma no yopo e de ama say quality videos na quality pictures party emfa wani enchirem e wo ba bia anase empo ope bibi te say camera light anase drone e de etwa programmer eno so o contact na obeba ababe ya ma fe
my hene ono court of appeal nti ono from high court elevating just an example keke na me ma min too many esino so court on the minipa min too many go. I used to work in the my hene court whatever now Satan no young man very we all had a crush on him Satan me nyina ye court ya me madam for Dorothy Asarikuma and then a report on the court. So to me, my judgment because you tietie and some way change my lord. This is what they me according to mean too many see the man. But this is it. 65 judges. And now MPP party court, MPP so party court ana. What are we doing? About akrana GDN na wasi enya we court mu na ira. Because obi abeka te court ndi adane NDC court. Oko judge we na judge we ma judgment o say NDC judge. Oko na we so ma judge say MPP judge. What are we doing to ourselves? Ghana. What are we doing to ourselves? How long? Destroying the systems, no? System na and we are destroying those systems. Because ebe favor your party. Niema ebe favor your party nkwa ene yepe. Niema ebe favor your party ene yepe. Let me take you again. Man for so join very soon because we must all be angry. Ghana for you, we must all be angry at the system, broken system now. Yeah, no. It is this one too. President Mahama second term. Mama make one say, almost said about settings to President Mahama three. It is some Jonah say, President Mahama come cut up a second third term biao. On cut up a third term. Bank of come President Mahama no mama is okay on there. Or no constitution constitution and conform who actually. And John Sessan constitution, they say the obey and say, Yama Professor Jena no pokwad mamra. It is in a subtle way, it is President Mahama extending his third term, but not exactly extending his third term. It is give the President Mahama a third term, but not exactly say that you are giving him a third term. This is what is going on. This is what is going on. Settings, Nankofuabo, Ediato President Mahama team. Settings. By force, on pre-second term. By force, on pre-second term. This is what we've done. Yeah, my dear, be a President Mahama. It is some Jonah President Mahama on cast of a second term. Be out to into an also pay. Into say any ever Professor Jonah no pokwad my ranty. If it happens like that, so was swerving Julio Debra, was swerving your friend saying General Mosquito, was swerving Haruna Drusu, was swerving Obia Ghana no future bank. It's as if their politicians in interest. All of a suddenly, even when the NBC was talking about a friend saying ex-gratia, what says Obianka ex-gratia Obianka ex-gratia. Yen necessary. No, nobody's talking about it. It's my never call MPP for no. MPP for Canada, Japan, and go for dinner them. But no, I had to saw Korean and almost any mini video. So I had to saw Korean. no okorie de anoma bi to me yes or beso hana na okorie ne kosoro or do be kosoro. You see, Canada Japan is right. But kwabiso no ta insult the Canada Japan na twa no poma na asene ne tintin. Wa na start e na wa ene ade no bu abo. Ene abronye yi the abronye osua the Canada Japan ye. I agree say we should president Canada Japan. He's a reformed, he's a refined, decent politician cum businessman. O share ne zeal ne vim. Ah ode ya ade na. He has campaigned properly. He has campaigned. He has campaigned like a decent politician. Say nanka what's that na Canada Japan ye. And send me one edi council na what's Canada Japan to kan. Nti ano de Nigeria asem o kan so Onyankopon betua Canada Japan akanyina. I don't subscribe to because Nigeria na kasa ni Bible no. And on in Bible no so Onyankopon say ontuaka. It dey fan say Canada Japan cry obonefo a. Bible na kasa so aka say obonefo wo nya Onyankopon fe. Nti Onyankopon tuaka sa o. Onyankopon de ne de no so bia besesa. Nti Nigeria is a pain because o say Canada Japan mane BP. Ya wo no de kasa. But Onyankopon kotua Canada Japan ka bia. But Canada Japan the fact say what stand shows you say on one him say niam bi oye eboroso. And that is why now he's showing us a better version of Canada Japan. This is the better version of Canada Japan. It's no case on your career or your career. On yes Canada Japan no first or your career. He's telling you say nipa de won am ya be sabi ebru yesi obi an ojeje no say on sesana dwene. Ono onyesa na de he's reformed his whole being. Now he's ready for the presidency. That is it. That is the Canada Japan or your career. That person one can't just say your career. Now, also your career. O kakra o fi. O muao. And so far, he's done a fantastic job on fee. Shadiak Abronya Kokan, because and this is why I was questioning about me. I say that the Nina Yakofa Abronya said about me and Kof. Oh, Anya Nipa, Yansuman is so good you'll be at them, but a video where just said, or your Baumia Nipa and Mona Mosumano. Because why is he standing on Baumia campaign platform? So, and again, I have to say, Ojina Baumia campaign platform so kekeu. What you call a comment Canada Japan but also Canada Japan. It's not good. Enti Baumia now one year who say you are endorsing the Yabronya no. So call him to order. I think Adewe was a very bad move. It was a bad move to allow Abronya to it was a bad mood for them to allow Abronya, but Baumia is in a very difficult position because if Abronya and Papada, it don't to mean Pamonu free the campaign, but Obejina campaign platform to among guiding. Namon Tiano so say who henceforth Eko Canada Japan or the other can make fair comments, may attacking him. Me attacking him about the mambo video in check.
I know message TV. Yeah, you don't be Numa, I'm a one of the idea. You're Numa, there was 7,000 workers, there were factories in the constituency here you are reading and a region here you are going to mean na nipa na all kasasa ni constituency minimuche your polling station executive mako say something and so enuma all the work ni polling station executive yes I want to be owo na tuma I that's what work
can you about me abayo.
Well, we put there. To be fair, this comment here, Abronya can a fair comment. Where the anything did this particular comment where a fair comment because I say Canada Japan so be numa no ba obema nkofo ye adwuma now they no the current constituency executives oma adwuma enti the only is on Canada Japan so ba chirem where there ondi natem this particular comment ondi natem a fair comment ondi natem or say also be creating nyuma ma awo but why we fear no o constituency no if was saying but Canada Japan can defend himself by saying say and the constituency executive be no need the requisite in san waduma and no need qualification but Canada Japan can say be bono to say obetime training tango for no they can be trained what you say ATM trust the NTA the okai bi
Can you about me able to be here? I call you.
Well, indeed, a friend saying, Abronya, and Ojina, and it is standing on Baomia's campaign platform. Obi say, oh, he spoke in his capacity as chairman. And your chairman behind the Kojina Baomia campaign platform to Kasai. He's on Baomia's campaign platform. Baomia, in a bo on the backdrop, nebo. He's speaking on Baomia's campaign platform. I think at this point, with all the controversy back and forth, because a woman said Canada Japan team responded there, but say, if yes, since your type of journey or the war, a woman said Canada Japan, I can't say Tianko for in the past there, but baby, I'm going to do a more Muslim unity. I was able to remember a bronya quite kakra with some of these comments. Power candidates quite kakra with that attack. You see, say NBC winning 2028, MPP would have given it to them. And found only mistakes NBC here. NBC knew what people want. And NBC, at least to a large extent, no maybe I say the politics, I say. I was here developing Ghana beyond the politics, I want NBC to ask you. Don't forget, NBC in a form kedao. Young Kona, young shed, and yes, say, oh, yeah, cham will be a no more before. More before my more bougie and a crash. Any more chum woman, so more chum more a boasono. More lose 2028. It will not be because any extraordinary campaign, but because one lose election am NDC. One kasa one NDC a winning that. I don't know so ya den sa. It is somebody abronya kasa so de ye kwa afi necro. Campaign platform be out be mountain. Don't make reference to Canada Japan. Power candidate system ben na mo implemented. Bring region hona. Mwaluzu musi ya dibiye ti President Mahama can say free first year education. These are the things that boa ankrankre no oni biefo. Na si ye push agenda bisa. Na ya support President Mahama just because e bia wo ye MPP ninti wo say na won support we ye wenti o wo de enya de obe support. We must necessarily support President Mahama. Ade na all ye no say from free SHS no. And also they call another level. So a free first year education. We must support it. This is what Justice Doche is saying. Also free SHS is one of the best social intervention programs. We agree. And Justice Doche say he's the retired Supreme Court judge of Ghana. He has touched first on the introduction and implementation of free SHS program. So according to the report, My Journal Online for the publishes our report. And kudos to My Journal Online. Not say the introduction of free SHS is undoubtedly one of the best social intervention programs we have had in the Fourth Republic. Na okase way idea betimi abona na okase ono ane Ekpando Senior High School Volta and Okoye and Justice Doche, former Supreme Court judge, or this I we say etu eja. I agree with your all canon because si can be conquer bottom. I'm already free there. Yeah, no. Free SHS. Na only be for me. Say me ba na ya call boche. The classmate akolebi. No akola no chese nye free SHS akola no secondary school to me baby that because or say or the troubles be ba na bibia san say ah den or say oko school a oni na dan for bi na share na dan for opie krase. Inti nye free SHS a akola no boche school go ye den no aba ho. But because of free SHS inti no ne maame koye lalasu lada ne maame si nkrofo ne ma na mama ne kakra enu bi no the amount of transport into odu school aduane bi oni bi just a dormitory so na ya so to the ono peche okwa ne troubles mo yema into odu one man on ne mate no ase ne esenyare ene ebe ma obi aka ho kwa na wa ma akola ne bi free SHS inti so everybody me see free SHS there all those who were condemned now even NDC that was condemned and they won't say NDC nyansa say not only are they happy about free SHS, but or they see university, I am a free first year. Into be our condemning free SHS, and I'll let those who pay Ghana high. Give your way to one man going to mean to Yane, you couldn't go to mean to Yane master school, but Okoje get fun. And to all those who say, oh, let those who can pay. No, I'm a boy. Ghana is a phone on the pen is Ghana. Those who say they will pay, Omumbeka. Koko scholarship buy escafo and ekoje. What your scholarship secretary and get fund kobisa. Escafo manwa no mo charge. Enti those who pay be work. Obi abesha that san kokonya we cannot afford. Na yasan back to square one. Obi ayenye free SHS. Shesika eko efiegu. Auditor General report enyunugu yemfanye free SHS. Yemfanye free level 100. We can pay but a brony beye any sike DNT. Ya adwene say nya de ebe ma obi enya bi. Enya de ebe ma obi enya bi. Let me go back to another issue. NDC can NSem during the campaign. Asema omo kan President Kufuor shed akokofa eyifo. Akokofa ne party for. E na ode omo aba. Enu nti no ukọ court a Kufuor judges nko a na egu